Hello, I am Dr. Gorachadan Ghosh speaking. I started my career as a physics scholar at the Baroda University in 1976 for doing research on nonlinear optical laser devices. In 1982, I received the Japanese government Monbusho scholarship to do postdoctoral research on optoelectronics at the Tokyo University. After that, I did research on optical fibers at the Central Research Laboratory of the Furukawa Electric Company Limited in Tokyo. I did some fundamental research work there. In 1986, I returned to India and I had several positions in the universities and Indian public sector company Hindustan Cables Limited. However, I migrated to Australia in 92 and then in 1993 I moved to Japan for carrying out research work on high-tech field of optical technology as an Australian. In this period, I have solved some fundamental problems on optical materials and optical fiber communications technology, and my name was nominated and published in the Marquis Who's Who in the World in 1996. Subsequently, I wrote a reference book as a single author in 1997 and it was published by the Academic Press of USA, and in 1999 I was the co-editor of another handbook published by Academic Press. I am a Google Scholar because of these research works. Since April 1999, I am doing part-time research on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose with the advice of my Japanese boss, Dr. Hiroyoshi Yajima. He gave me two photo albums of Netaji and unpublished written articles of his father, Masayoshi Kakitsubo, who was the yellow cam interpreter and later on personal secretary of Netaji in World War II. On 19 September 2017, I have written the e-book entitled Unknown Facts of Netaji, Japan and Southeast Asia, and it was published by Amazon all over the world at a time. As a research scholar and author of Academic Press and Amazon books, I am well acquainted about the copyright laws throughout the world. Also, after publication of the Amazon ebook, I am forced to know the copyright laws in India, since the Indian copyright violators come criminals are engaged to do copyright violation of the Amazon books. And as I have realized, the copyright laws is almost similar to the advanced countries, and you can read here any copyright infringement for a single photo or any article or anything, minimum 6 months jail and rupees 50,000 fine. And law is there, but only problem is that the Indian government and Indian police are not performing their duties as they supposed to be. And also the judicial system is a rotten in India. The British created judicial system is continued without any doing modernization, and it is a defective one. As a Google scholar, I have found the Indian topmost copyright violator cum criminal, Anuj Dhar, on 8th of October 2017 through the social media Facebook. And you can see the photo, NP2 photo of Netaji published in the ebook for the first time in the world. However, Mr. Dhar had stolen it and after cropping, posted in his Facebook page on 7th of October 2017. More than 360 persons shared it within 24 hours and 60 people commented about this nice photo. They praised to Anuj Dhar about this photo as if Mr. Dhar has and his forefathers snapped this photograph, as they come to know. Again, Mr. Dhar has created an NGO, Mission Netaji at New Delhi in 2001. It is a criminal organization now. And here in this slide you can see the photograph NP26 was stolen and cropped and posted in the Facebook on the same day, and you can see he has written that Netaji in Japan, many such photos must be available in private and official connection. Picture Ghosh Gorachand, and he tagged to his other Facebook groups. Just by mentioning picture Ghosh Gorachand does not mean that he has followed the copyright laws. He should have he should have the permission to do this kind of posting from the copyright owner. Again, Mr. Dhar, a self-claimed Netaji researcher, wrote defamatory books on Netaji by using conspiracy theory, perjury, plagiarism, copyright violation, and distortion of World War II history for his livelihood. In this photo you can see this photograph with Mr. Parthiv Dhar must have received from Anuj Dhar and posted in the Facebook, as you can see. In this connection, as I remember, Mr. Chandra Kumar Bose posted the same photo in the Twitter. Therefore, on that time I posted in the Facebook also, the Chandra Kumar Bose should be awarded MPhil degree for doing this kind of copyright infringement from London University. These photos were not the paternal properties of the Bose brothers in Calcutta or by any Indians. Again, you can see Mr. Dhar. Remember, Mr. Dhar is not a Bengali man, but a Mona Punjabi, engaged to defame Netaji as Gunayova at Faizabad for his livelihood. In this context, you can see that NP21 photo he has stolen and cropped and manipulated with the Photoshop for using some sorts of Netaji memorial in New Delhi by violating the copyright laws. Nobody has any right to use the copyright photos published in the ebook for stealing, cropping, and without any permission. It is a strictly copyright violation and infringement by the copyright violator led by the criminal Anuj Dhar. In this slide, you can see Mr. Dhar sent the stolen ebook photo NP15 to another criminal Vijay Kumar Nag of Jayashree Prakashan in Kolkata for publication in his magazine on 21st October 2017. You can see that Mr. criminal Vijay Kumar Nag put his hand with the Anuj Dhar to make Netaji as Gunai Baba. This criminal Mr. Nag is engaged to defame Netaji throughout his life, as I know, and also he is the responsible to send all the used articles of Netaji from his ancestral Elgin Road home to Faizabad at Gunami Baba's residence. We can know everything about Mr. Nag from Commissioner of Police Kolkata office about this criminal. In this slide, you can see Mr. Dhar sent the photo NP31 to Mr. criminal Nag for publication in the same magazine with the Raktolekha October Akhanda Sadhin Bharate Hirok Jayanti. How the criminal Nag got this photo? This is not the photo snapped by Mr. Nag or his paternal property, not his paternal property or the paternal property of Anuj Dhar or any Indian's paternal property. This is the photograph snapped and kept by Netaji personal secretary Masayoshi Kakitsubo. And according to his idea and his philosophy, the ebook was published in 2017 and he kept all these things in his file and his photograph album. And he gave me the advice, should be written the book when there will be no Congress government at the center in India. He was not a coward man just like any other Jawaharlal Nehru or Gandhi. Again, you can see the criminal Dhar has stolen the ebook photos and sent to his journalist friends and Facebook public group Mission Netaji discussion platform members for illegal sharing and public posting in India. And you can see here at least the NP48 they were posted maybe 10 or 15 internet sites by violating the copyright laws. You can see Dhar with Rehan Faisal. He sent many persons including the topmost Indian copyright violator Arnab Goswami, Rehan Faisal, Chandrachud Ghosh, Vishal Sharma, Kunal Bose, Srijit Panikar, Chandra Kumar Bose, Srijit Mukherjee, Kapil Kumar and others. Just only few names I am giving you, but there are many, particularly these MNDP members, that more than 20,000. They know everything about Anuj Dhar, the criminal of Anuj Dhar. All MNDP members must know the criminal Anuj Dhar. This is not his paternal photographs of Netaji. As a journalist, Anuj Dhar had made many YouTubes, wrote many defamatory books on Netaji as Gunai Baba. Renowned historian Professor Leonard Gordon has claimed recently that Anuj Dhar is a dishonest man. You can see the original NP2 photo. This is the cropped. I cropped it for you to see. So, and you can see this photo by using the computer marked photo of Netaji. This is not the Netaji photo original, nor Gunai Baba. This is the 2001. He with the contract of Hindustan Times, he made that photo and used this recent photo of Netaji by showing in a YouTube video created on 9th of March 2021 to fool and loot Indians by violating the copyright laws. And can you imagine? He wanted to compare this original photo with the computer mark photo. It is totally copyright violation and infringement by the criminal Anuj Dhar. All Indians should know this criminal, and I am requesting to all Indians who are giving respect to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who gave our freedom. He is a greatest patriot and not a war criminal, and also not a Gunai Baba or Salmari Sadhu. He died in the plane crash accident on 18th of August 1945, as proved in my all Amazon books. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.